Che Satoshi for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to introduce you to Mirror, a great project that is available listed on the Cosmos ecosystem. It's a great project with great potential. I'm not a fashion advisor. I'm learning at the same time with you this project, and I hope you really enjoy it. Don't forget, always do your own research. Everything rely on your shoulders, and Satoshi is not financial advisors. So let's go back to Maro. Just before to keep going, I want you to take a couple of actions for this great channel. First one, it's subscribe right now. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Ding, ding, ding. Press the bell notification bell. Bing, bing, bing to get notified from Monday through Friday. As well, spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So let's go back to Maro. Maro is an asset reflecting on the blockchain. What's that mean? To learn more about it, check the doc and the white paper and join the community on Telegram and Discord. But I'm going to explain how this thing is work. Basically, Mirror Protocol allows the creation of fungible asset or synthetic that track the price of real-world asset. Mirror synthetics are intended to be used as a key building block and smart contract and to bring the world's asset on the blockchain. To mint a Mirror asset, M asset, an issuer must lock up 150% of the current asset value in Terra stablecoin or M asset as collateral. If the value of the asset rises above the collateralization threshold, the collateral is liquidity to guarantee solvency of the system. To target the price of an M asset, the system reads an underlying asset prices via a decentralized price oracle. Oracle is the way to go track the price of offside of the blockchain. Prices are updated every 30 seconds, so you are sure that the price is the most up to date. When the price of the M assets drift significantly from the primary market, traders are incentivized to purchase, sell the asset to mint, burn to claim the collateral. To burn an M asset, the issuer must burn the equal amount of M asset issuer when opening a CDP. The collateral is then returned to the issuer. Trade now on the with the Mirror wallet, TerraSwap, Mirror web app, or METH, powered by the Terra available on the interchain. I need to take some coffee. It's very interesting. So as you can see, Mirror smart contract are built on Terra and CommoSwap and leverage Terra USD as a collateral asset. M asset are available on Ethereum via Shuttle. So CM asset on METH. Learn more about the Shuttle bridges. So let's go jump to the web interface as well. So as you can see, this is the web interface. They have the My page, so you can log with the Terra Station extension and Terra Station mobile on the Terra blockchain. As well, you can trade back and forth many assets. What is cool is a synthetic asset. The synthetic asset is a representation of stock, but decentralized way. As you can see, you have the Mirror cryptocurrency, a representation of Bitcoin, BTC. You have the M Tesla, Google. You can invest in eShares Silver Trust, Invesco, Facebook, iShares, Microsoft Corporation, Alibaba, United States All Funds, Coinbase as well. You can invest in Apple, Ether, Robinhood Market, Galaxy Digital Holding, Twitter, SPDR, SP500. I think this is really cool. Amazon, because this is the tracking of 500 best company, and this is really cool. Amazon, ProShare VX short-term futures ETF, Advances Micro Device, MFlex, RNB, MDOT, AMC Entertainment Holdings, Square, Innovation ETF, Goldman Sachs, and GameStop. So as you can see, you can expose yourself to all this asset without the need to. But the only thing, you cannot access the dividend if those assets provide dividend. You cannot access this because you need to buy it on the real market. But at least you have a representation, a synthetic asset where you can put you mint the token of Myra, and then with a collateral of 150%, you can expose yourself to all those assets the decentralized way. And I think this is a real innovation, and it's very exciting. I'm really excited about this kind of technology we can access. Just imagine what's the futures will bring in 5 or 10 years or 15 years. It will be amazing. Everything on the blockchain, the financial world will move to the blockchain era, and this is something we cannot miss it. And this is we writing history at the moment, and this is just a precursor of what's coming in the pipe. You can borrow as well from those assets. This is really cool for probably speculation or something, or do something else. This is really cool. They have the farm as well, so you can farm as well for Grand Lineup APY. This is really cool. So you can go for 40% for Myro. You can farm for 21% IPY for Facebook. So this is really cool for all those kind of assets. So you can make more money out of it, and you can participate. You can participate of the decentralization, the governance about this platform. So this is really cool. They have over 36.5 million MER. Tokyo stake it 29 point, and the IPY is provide 25.37%. And this is really cool. As you can see, they have a lot of what's going on. So Whitelist, Baidu Inc., or Snap Incorporated, they had many more that's coming, like Sony Groups, Robor Corporation, and many more. That is very insane. Etsy, Shopify, and they had new. This is very exciting, my friend. So I hope you really enjoyed to discover this project, the Mirror, that's available on Ethereum and Terra blockchain. So as well, to have access to synthetic asset and the decentralized way, and it's very exciting. And in the meantime, I hope you really enjoy this kind of content. Let me know below if you enjoy this type of content, so I will keep going, or I'm probably enhance my content in the near futures. Let me know what you think about my content. If you enjoy, smash the like button, join this channel as well, press the notification bell, bing to get notified from Monday through Friday as well. Spread the love about this great channel at the workplace and the stress school. You have all my gratitude. Thank you so much. And don't forget, I'm not a fashion advisor. Always do your own research. Have a great day ahead. See you on the next episode. Ciao.